Let me get a picture of you when you're in there. Say cheese.
You never know.
I'll tell you what, if I hear, I'm taking a picture.
Yeah. It'd be best you just kind of stay over there. That way, if someone gets hurt, it's not you.
That's okay, you can just say she was old, it doesn't matter.
Oh. Safety first.
Wow, we made it this far. Can I do anything? Yell to me.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, probably. Let's just.
Stay the hell out of the way. I'm used to that.
That's how I'd normally sit.
And you may. Sorry, a cat burglar on the side with those.
Someone actually scaled the skyscraper with these.
See? Spider-Man.
Good.
I just can't believe you're doing this yourself.
Probably not the only one.
But yeah, when you get the back in that truck and go, whoa, what a day this was. brick window, and the yard guys will come next week or something and put a rock through it.
Shit. Do you have the glass warranty pack?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm going to caulk up a couple little dings that I made in the corners. Clean this all up and we'll look at it.
And hope for the best as the sun moves, huh?
Yeah, I mean, anymore it seems like I break more glass when I got a helper than when I don't.
Well, isn't that odd?
Yeah. I think part of the deal is I think he's watching one thing and he thinks I'm watching the same thing.
Exactly.
And neither of us, and we chip the corner.
And that's it. Oh, sorry, ma'am.